Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to add a website link in Facebook page. This one is my Facebook profile. Let me go here. Now on the top right corner, here you can switch into Facebook page. Click here. Now click on this one, Enable Website Design. Scroll down, click on About, scroll down. Here you can add websites and social links. Click here, copy website link, add here, save it. That's done. In this way you can easily add a website link to your Facebook page.